would like to wish you Sata Sajji, Sir Isaac Newton, happy Palle Patte Purra. Oh lighter, oh camera, oh action. Oi, what the faluda are you doing, Bunty? Can't you operate a simple camera?
I cooperate the kitchen, Paji. I have the garam masala in the hands every days, not camera. And वैसे भी, Newton ji's birthday was yesterday when you had double sweet dish after a dinner. You said one is for me and one is for birthday boy Isaac Newton ji. Me thinking you forgot to change the calendar. E-A-O.
Uttari, never mind, oi. It's still within Indian Standard Time. Haha. Let me tell you something very interesting about my man Isaac Newton. It is told he sat under a tree and saw an apple fall. Dadam. And in the same field of view, he saw the moon in orbit around the earth. He thinks the apple is falling to the ground, but how is the moon up there in space? Oh, immediately it is a light bulb moment. He tells the apple, oh, I got it. You and the moon are like distant relatives. You are connected by the same force of gravity. You both are falling towards the earth, but the moon also has orbital motion, which is why it is up there. But it is also falling. Haha.
Papaji, could you explain one thing?
Of course. Osada, my name is Explain Singh.
He could see the apple and the moon, but how is it he couldn't see Nike dukaan? England did not have barber shops or what?
I will ignore that comment. Sorry, Sarji, he doesn't know what he is talking about. Okay, I have a short, powerful point presentation on mathematical principles of natural philosophy. Today, we would think of Sir Isaac Newton as a physicist. Back then, he was what is known as a natural philosopher who posed questions about the natural world as opposed to human world. What is the origin of the universe or the world? Oh, that kind of questions. Okay, Newton's first law. So here the football is at rest and I am about to kick it. This law states a body at rest will stay at rest. But when I kick the football, the body, in this case the football in motion, will remain in motion unless it is acted upon by external force.
Papaji, you mean your body remained in motion until your body hit the floor and the external force made you say, Oe mar dala. Play the video, Papaji. Please.
Oh, touche. Let me play. Oh, Bunty, please don't tell anybody. Just keep it between you and me. After the shoot, just rub some Iotex on my back, please. I'm doing this in the interest of science. Me kicking the football was just like an experiment. Except here, the result was painfully obvious. Moving on to law 2. Force equals mass time acceleration. Newton's second law of motion describes the relationship between an object's mass and the amount of force required to accelerate it. This equation gets us to the moon. This is how ISRO and NASA got to the moon, Mars, and beyond. So in this example, when I have only one brick, I need very less force to accelerate the cart. But when I load it with lots more bricks, I need more force to move it. And by the way, Bunty, you didn't need to put that many bricks, huh? Let me show the video so you know what I mean.
Papaji, you couldn't move the heavy bricks because you had put the brakes on. And when I tried telling you, you said, shh, I want cosmic silence.
Oi, okay, never the minds. Moving on to third and final law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. This one is quite simple. I got this skateboard from Canada wali auntie. So here, when I stand and push myself, I go forward. So pushing action's reaction is me going forward. What I didn't calculate is the force with which gravity will hit my behind. Oi, never again. Anyways, on top of all these, Sir Isaac Newton also found that light is made up of colors. Roy G. Biv. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. He found out laws of optics, laws of gravity, laws of motion. He even invented calculus. And then he turned full 26 years old. And you can't even make a perfect round paratha. So that was me wishing Sir Isaac Newton happy birthday. Oh, by the way, Bunty, what is for dinner tonight?
Chicken curry with steamed rice.
Oh, balle, my favorite. My tongue just told my stomach, don't worry, coming chicken curry. And to all my earthling friends, may science be with you. Stay curious. Until next time, it's Professor Explain Singh taking your goodbyes. And, Oji, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon. Oh, I say hit it. Oh, chuck there. Newton the, Isaac Newton the. Isaac Newton the.